Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd. So today we're going to be baking a whole chicken with baby white potatoes. So let's get our ingredients together. For our chicken and potatoes, we're going to need a whole chicken, salt, pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic and onion powder, thyme, basil, rosemary, parsley flakes, and a bag of small white potatoes. So let's get started. So the seasoning for our chicken is going to be salt and pepper, some smoked paprika and some cayenne, garlic powder and onion powder, some thyme and some basil, and rosemary and parsley. So we're going to get that in a bowl, and then we're going to just mix this nice and good. And if you got any chunks of your seasoning that are in clumps, you'll just use your fork and mash them up. So now that we've got our seasoning together, we're going to move on to the chicken. Alright, so we've got our chicken and we've made sure to pull out any giblets that were inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to spatchcock him, and basically we're going to be removing the backbone. So you're going to get you a serrated knife and slice right along the edge of that backbone. And as always, when you're working with raw meat, to make sure that we wash our hands before and after. And also be very careful because it'd be very easy to cut yourself. Come on. Always gotta have part of it that's gonna give me a little bit of trouble. There we go. So we've got that done. And you're gonna clean up any extra fat you may find. There. And the next thing we're going to do, once we've got the backbone removed, we're going to flip him over and you're going to press down till you hear that breastbone pop. So we've got that done. So let me get cleaned up and we're going to move on to seasoning him up. Alright, so we've got our chicken on a fresh, clean cutting board. We've also got us a foil-lined roasting pan, and I have sliced up our little white potatoes in half, and we've lined the bottom of the dish with that. So we are going to take our seasoning, and we are going to sprinkle it across the bird, and we want to get as much coverage as we can, and all those nooks and crannies. And in some spots you may have to press it in. So you're going to make a mess, so don't even worry about it. Alright, we've got this side done. So now we're going to flip him over and we're going to do the other side. right, now we're going to take him and put him breast side up on top of your potatoes. And this is going to go into a 375-degree oven till it gets to an internal of 165 or higher. Alright, so our chicken is done, and it's at an internal temperature of about 170. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm more partial to the dark meat. So get me a leg. As you can see, it's always a problem finding that. Well, you know what? We're just going to take the whole thigh. And we'll sort that all out later. Always putting up a fight. There we go. Oops. Lost some of the chicken. There we go. Alright, now we're going to move this chicken around a little bit and get us some of the potatoes. And if you want, you can use other vegetables other than the potatoes. You can use carrots and celery. So we're going to serve that up with that and a little bit of homemade mac and cheese. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And until next time, enjoy.